there, this is Mike Meier DIY. Hey, I found this little video clip that I made this spring when it was really wet here in Michigan. You wouldn't know it today because it's about 100 degrees. But I'm going to put this on here. I haven't put a video on for a while, so I'm going to stick it on there so you can laugh at me. Talk to you later. Bye. Grass was so high it didn't look wet, but it's wet. Yikes. See, you can't see the water, but it's here. So now I'm going to devise a way to get it out of here. I don't want to leave it sitting in that mud. It'll ruin the bearings. Perfect.